Welcome back. Continuing the news. More concerns this evening about the proposed development of Port Royal. Member of Parliament PHILLIP PAULWELL is worried that the economic benefits will not trickle down to residents. There's also a renewed call for attention to be given to the sewage issue. More in this report from TVJ's DWAYNE Anderson.
If the environmental permits are granted, Port Royal in East Kingston will become the newest cruise ship destination in Jamaica. The Port Authority, which is spearheading the development, forecasts great economic benefits for the people. But Member of Parliament for Kingston Eastern and Port Royal, PHILLIP PAULWELL, is not convinced the benefits will reach the people in the town.
They want to bring in cruise ships starting in January. And nobody has thought about the people of Port Royal. So I am led to believe that their aim is to land some people here, tourists, and we love tourists, to land them here and to put them on buses and take them out of Port Royal. That's not going to happen enough. There are people in Port Royal who are business-minded, who want to expand the little business they're doing. They want to be able to benefit from this opportunity. They need some funding to do so. Nobody is thinking about them.
For the long-serving MP, it has been his wish to see Port Royal established as a cultural destination with its antiques preserved for tours and sightseeing. But as for the antiquated elements of Port Royal, namely the poor water and sewage infrastructure, those, he said, must go.
We have to deal with the sewage situation. We have to deal with the water situation. You can't have a problem with water in the town, yet when the cruise ship vessel comes, you can fill the vessel up with water.
The leadership of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, toured Port Royal Wednesday morning. They have similar concerns about the infrastructure in Port Royal.
Those are issues that we'll have to bring to the table and to see whether or not there are engineering solutions that can address those issues. There are issues in relation to the disposal of waste that we have examined and we need to address in our broad discussion, but immediately in our discussion with persons here and also with the NSWMA. And there are other planning issues that our planners will examine and make their recommendation.
A significant part of the developments planned for Port Royal includes the installation of a sea walk, which is a floating bridge-like structure for persons to walk from the ships and onto land. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.